Okay, we just finished up a fence repair job. Split rail, actually just wooden fence. And I was going to say split rail, but just fence on a plantation. We replaced some boards there. Tree had fallen. I believe that's what the damage was from. And we did some more replacement of board there. And then right here, we replaced posts as well as some of the rails. Three of them had rotted at the bottom. So we put black sealant on the posts. You can see a couple of inches of the sealant where we coated it all the way down when we buried it. We put these in about 18 inches deep. It was a little bit too difficult to go any deeper because the old post was partially in the ground. So, and then we also got, there was another area up here that needed repaired, but you can't tell that we did it, but some pieces fell apart. So that'll do it for the day.